10,000 followers in just 1 week wasn't a one time for me. I mean to say that I have built my LinkedIn to 110,000 followers, and during this, I have got multiple times 10,000 followers in 1 week, 15,000 followers in 1 week, and I have known the fact what is actually going to work when it comes to followers generation. But when you are willing to generate so many followers, you have to actually compromise with the type of followers coming onto your LinkedIn. So to solve that, I will give you a bonus tip in the end of this video, so make sure that you don't skip anything. Now, before I tell you my 3 strategies that worked always for me, I want to tell you to figure out what is a strategy exactly, because I have seen so many people copying the same thing from anybody, and they say that this is what the strategy they have. I think this is the worst thing that you can do for your LinkedIn, because when you're building your LinkedIn, you know what, I have actually grown more than 50,000 profiles of LinkedIn. I know this one common mistake that everyone would do is thinking that I have a strategy and they are doing something that is very usual. So I'm gonna tell you 3 important strategies that I had in my mind and I still keep in my mind to grow my LinkedIn. Number 1 thing, I actually prioritized ranking my profile. Now, you know what, when you're willing to gain so many followers, you have to rank on LinkedIn, and you want LinkedIn to promote your profile in others' feed. So what got you to do this? LinkedIn profile optimization. And if you want to optimize your LinkedIn profile, then watch out this playlist, because this will help you to optimize your profile. And I want to bust a myth. People think that LinkedIn profile optimization is all about filling all the information and that's it. No. LinkedIn profile optimization is a continuous task, okay? You have to perform it very frequently. I mean, if I need to give you accurate time, once a month is good. Now, before I tell you the second strategy, I want to tell you that ranking your LinkedIn profile not only involves your optimization, but the second step that I'm gonna tell you. And that second strategy is becoming hyperactive. When you are trying to grow your LinkedIn and you think that, okay, I'll log into my LinkedIn once a while and I'll see that I have huge following on LinkedIn. No, it's not going to be like that. When I was building my followers, my strategy used to be I need to be hyperactive. What does it mean? It means that I am posting on LinkedIn every day. I am talking on LinkedIn every day. I am initiating conversations in comments every day. I am connecting with my existing connections every day. I am also making sure that my contribution is highlighted in LinkedIn, in my industry and in my niche. So to do all of these things, what you have to do is make sure that you post every day. Now, when you post every day, you engage every day. When you engage every day, you have to find every day 2 new people to engage with, and maybe you can connect if they are into your industry and in your niche. Because when you are connecting new people, at least 1, if you cannot make it 2, if you're connecting 1 new people every single day, you are broadening your network, and that is very important. If you are connecting 1 person each day, so there are 30 days. Let's say you cut out these weekends, you're still connecting with at least 24 or 26 or 28 people, right? So you have to make sure that you are becoming hyperactive. It's just not about logging into your LinkedIn, but making the activities happen. Now, it leads me to tell you the third and final strategy, which is of course content. Now, content strategy is something that you can definitely look ahead in your competition, what they are sharing, but whenever you are giving a competition analysis, make sure one thing, that you are chasing them again and again. You cannot do competitive analysis once and that's all. No, competitive analysis is to be done every single week and every single month, as frequently as possible for you. Why? Because content strategy is something that evolves, that changes every frequent times. You cannot really have a good track on what is trending. So I myself, write my post and I checked what the trend is going on. Before shooting this video, I checked out that what you guys are craving for. I got to know you want to build your following. I'm shooting this video. So this is how you actually have to put some research before you are writing your content, and to understand better about the content and how you can make the strategy, watch out my these videos. And with that, this entire video comes to an end, saying that getting 10,000 followers is not an overnight thing. I have been active on LinkedIn for last 7 years, frequently 7 years, okay? So it's not something that if you are active on LinkedIn for last 7 months and you want to have 10,000 followers in 1 week, it will happen for you. No. If you're expecting me to tell you that 10,000 followers in next 1 week, 2 week or 30 days, I cannot really commit, because it completely depends on the type of actions you make, on the type of profile you have, how frequently active it has been. So every single thing is important, but those strategies worked for me were these three. If you follow, I am sure 100% that it can increase your following by 3x. I'm not kidding, guys. By 3x, because you have made yourself to watch me till this end. I have one bonus for you. If you really want to grow your LinkedIn, write down in the comment ebook. I'm gonna share my exclusive ebook to you, and that will help you to actually make your profile even more stand out and give some exclusive ideas that can get you more eyeballs on your LinkedIn content, post, and profile as well. That's about it for now. Meet me in the next one. Make sure to subscribe because you want to grow on LinkedIn and want to have better high paying clients and business via LinkedIn. So subscribe and see you soon. Bye bye.